Hello, my friends. Welcome to Mr. Master English today. I am Adam, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This podcast is for you, my friend. It's for everyone who wants to speak English with confidence. It's for everyone who wants to improve step by step, day by day. Before we begin, I want to ask you something. Please leave a comment below and introduce yourself. Tell me your name and where you're from. I really want to know you. And if you haven't already, please click that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new episode. Every episode is here to help you grow. Today, we're going to do something special. We're going to learn English through a short story. But this isn't just any story. This story is about someone just like you, someone learning English. And through this story, you're going to discover the good habits that will help you learn English faster and easier. By the end of today's episode, you'll know exactly what to do every day to improve your English. You'll feel motivated, and you'll have a clear plan. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Now, why are we using a story today? Let me tell you, stories are powerful. When you listen to a story, your brain remembers the words better. You learn naturally. And this particular story will show you the habits that successful English learners use every day. You're going to meet a character named Adam. Adam is learning English just like you. And you're going to see his journey. You're going to see what he does right and what changes his life. This matters because learning English isn't just about grammar rules. It's not about memorizing hundreds of words in one day. It's about building good habits. Small actions every day. That's the secret. And you don't need fancy words. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to show up and practice. Today, you'll see how. Let's begin our story. I'm going to tell you this story in sections. After each part, you'll repeat some important sentences with me. Take your time. Don't worry about being perfect. Just listen and then speak. Ready? Let's start. Part 1. Adam wakes up on Monday morning. He looks at his phone. He has an English lesson today. But Adam feels nervous. He thinks, my English is not good. I make too many mistakes. Maybe I should cancel. Now you repeat after me. Adam feels nervous. Now you say it. Good job. Again. Adam feels nervous. Perfect. Now let's say he makes mistakes. Now you try. Excellent. One more. He wants to cancel. Your turn. Great. Do you see? Adam is nervous, just like many of us. He's afraid of mistakes. But let's see what happens next. Part 2. Adam's friend calls him. His friend's name is Ibrahim. Ibrahim is also learning English. Ibrahim says, Adam, don't cancel. Remember, we practice together. We help each other. Mistakes are okay. Adam thinks about this. He remembers that Ibrahim makes mistakes too. But Ibrahim always tries. Ibrahim never gives up. Let's practice these sentences. Ibrahim calls Adam. Now you say it. Good. Next sentence. Mistakes are okay. Repeat after me. Wonderful. And now, Ibrahim never gives up. Your turn. Perfect. This is important, my friend. Ibrahim has a good attitude. He knows that mistakes are part of learning. Part 3. Adam decides to go to his English lesson. He arrives at the class. The teacher smiles and says, Good morning, Adam. Adam takes a deep breath. He says, Good morning, teacher. The teacher asks, How are you today? Adam wants to say something. He's nervous, but he tries. He says, I am okay. Thank you. The teacher smiles again. Great job, Adam, the teacher says. Let's practice this conversation. First, good morning, teacher. Now you say it. Excellent. Next, how are you today? Repeat that. Good. Now, I'm okay, thank you. Your turn. Beautiful. You see? Adam tried. He spoke even though he was nervous, and the teacher praised him. Part 4. After class, Adam feels good. He didn't speak perfectly, but he spoke. He made some mistakes, but nobody laughed. Everyone was learning together. Adam decides to make a promise to himself. He promises, I will practice English every day, even just 10 minutes, every single day. Let's say this together. I will practice every day. Now you repeat. Perfect. Again. I will practice every day. Excellent. This is Adam's first good habit. Daily practice. Not hours and hours, just 10 minutes, every day. This is powerful. Part 5. On Tuesday, Adam remembers his promise. In the morning, he listens to an English podcast while he drinks his coffee. It's only 10 minutes. The podcast speaks slowly. Adam listens carefully. He doesn't understand every word, but he understands the main idea. He feels happy. Let's practice. Adam listens to a podcast. Say it with me. Good. Next, he drinks his coffee. Your turn. Great. And now, he feels happy. Repeat after me. Wonderful. This is Adam's second good habit. He makes English part of his daily routine. He doesn't study in a special time. He adds English to his normal life. Part 6. On Wednesday, Adam tries something new. He watches a video on YouTube. The video is in English. It's about cooking. Adam loves cooking. The video has English subtitles. Adam watches and reads at the same time. He learns new words like recipe and ingredients. He writes these words in a notebook. Let's practice these words. Recipe. Now you say it. Recipe. Good. Next word. Ingredients. Repeat that. Ingredients. Perfect. Now let's say Adam writes new words. Your turn. Excellent. This is Adam's third good habit. He learns English through things he loves. He doesn't force himself to study boring topics. He chooses things he enjoys. Part 7. On Thursday, Adam feels confident. He goes to a coffee shop. He orders in English. He says, "Hello, I would like a coffee, please." The person behind the counter smiles and says, "Of course, what size?" Adam says, "Medium, please." He did it. He used English in real life. His heart beats fast, but he's proud. Let's practice this. I would like a coffee, please. Now you repeat. Good. Again. I would like a coffee, please. Perfect. And now, medium, please. Your turn. Excellent. This is Adam's fourth good habit. He uses English in real life. He doesn't wait until he's perfect. He tries now. Part 8. On Friday, Adam makes another friend online. This friend is also learning English. They send messages to each other. Adam writes, "Hello, how was your day?" His friend writes back, "Good. I practiced English today." They encourage each other. They share tips. They celebrate small wins. Let's say these sentences. How was your day? Repeat after me. Good. Next, I practiced English today. Your turn. Beautiful. This is Adam's fifth good habit. He finds a community. He doesn't learn alone. He connects with other learners. Now, my friend, let's see what happens after 1 week. After just 7 days, Adam is different. He's not fluent yet. He still makes mistakes. But he has something more important. He has confidence. He has habits. He practices every day. He listens to podcasts. He watches videos about things he loves. He speaks in real life, even when he's nervous. And he has friends who support him. Adam realizes something important. He realizes that learning English is not about being perfect. It's about showing up every day and trying. Let me show you how you can use these habits in your life. First, think about your morning. Can you listen to English for 10 minutes? Maybe a podcast like this one? Or music in English? Or a video? Just 10 minutes. That's your first habit. Now you repeat. I will listen every day. Say it. Good. Second, think about something you love. Do you love cooking, sports, games, movies? Find English content about that topic. That's your second habit. I will learn through things I love. Your turn. Perfect. Third, use English in real life. Order food in English. Write a message in English. Speak to someone, even online. I will use English in real life. Repeat that. Excellent. And fourth, find friends. Join an online group. Comment on videos. Talk to other learners. I will find a community. Say it with me. Beautiful. Now, let me answer some common questions you might have. Question 1. What if I don't have time every day? My friend, you have 10 minutes. Everyone has 10 minutes. You can listen to English while you eat breakfast, while you walk, while you clean your house. It doesn't need to be special study time. Make it part of your life. Question 2. What if I'm too shy to speak? I understand. Many people feel this way. Start small. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Record yourself. Then maybe speak to one friend online. You don't have to speak to many people at first. Just start. Question 3. What if I make mistakes? You will make mistakes, I promise you. But that's okay. That's how you learn. Every mistake teaches you something. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of not trying. Question 4. How long until I'm fluent? Everyone is different. But if you practice every day, you will see progress in weeks, not years. Weeks. You'll understand more. You'll speak more. You'll feel more confident. Trust the process. Now let me give you some important tips and strategies. Tip number 1. Be consistent, not perfect. 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Your brain learns better with regular practice. Show up every day, even if it's just for a short time. Tip number 2. Focus on communication, not perfection. Your goal is to share ideas, to connect with people. You don't need to speak like a native speaker. You need to speak clearly enough to be understood. That's enough. Tip number 3. Use the shadowing technique. That's what we're doing right now. Listen to English and repeat immediately. This helps your mouth, your ears, and your brain work together. Do this every day. Tip number 4. Celebrate small wins. Did you understand a sentence today? Celebrate. Did you speak one word in English? Celebrate. Did you listen for 5 minutes? Celebrate. These small wins build confidence. And tip number 5. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time. Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel hard. That's normal. Don't give up on the hard days. Just keep going. Now, I have a challenge for you. Today or tomorrow, I want you to do one thing. Choose just one of Adam's habits and try it. Maybe listen to an English podcast for 10 minutes. Maybe watch a video about something you love. Maybe say one sentence in English out loud. Just one small action. That's all. And if you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. The important thing is that you try. All right, my friend, we've reached the end of today's episode. Today, you heard Adam's story. You learned about the 5 good habits that help you learn English. Practice every day. Make English part of your routine. Learn through things you love. Use English in real life. And find a community. These habits are simple, but they're powerful. Remember, learning English is a journey. It's not about being perfect today. It's about being better than you were yesterday. Every day you grow, every day you improve. I believe in you. I know you can do this. You have everything you need inside you. You just need to start and keep going. Keep practicing every day, even just for 5 minutes. Make English a part of your life, not something separate from it. And be kind to yourself. You're doing something difficult and brave. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Master English today. I'm Adam, and I'm proud of you for showing up today and learning with me. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.